Hello guys, welcome to the Electrocoder. Today we are going to build a home automation project, automatic LED on off system. Here we take Raspberry Pi and here we take one LED with a resistor. I can show you this resistor and these two jumper wires. We connect the red wire of the positive terminal to pin 12 into a, you can see this pin 12, and this pin is this pin is going to ground. You can see this. See this, and this pin is connecting to ground and this pin is connecting to the pin 12. This connection is must, and after that we move to the code. I run the LED controller, means home automation based LED, and here I need to run the code. Python 3 LED controller py, which is saved in. Here I click enter and script is successfully running. So here I type this IP and website. So here is it, and port number. Click enter. Here are the options: turn on, turn off, and source. So I can show you the output of this project is, when I click the turn on, so here turn on, so here LED is on, and when I click the LED is on, and when I click the turn off, the LED is off. After that I click SOS, so LED is blinking 3 times. SOS, so LED is blinking 3 times. In some sleeping time, after it's 3 time blinking, and here's we done. I can show you the program of LED controller.py. Here's now LED controller.py. Here's the code. Here we import Flask for website, RPI GP general purpose input output import. This for LED controller. Here we get pins for this, and after we take time for sleeping hour time, and after that here I write app.root/on. When you click the on button, the on is calling, and after that is called the LED on, and GPIO is high when LED is bling on, and same for off, and here is SOS for blinking times and delay. And here's the right main, and if port is 5001. If you have a problem in 5001, you can change it to 5000, and main is here. Definition index, when index.html code is loaded here. So I can show you the index.html code. So this is the index.html code. Here's the title is LED controller. Main part is in body, I can directly move here. Style is optional. Here are 3 buttons: on, off, source. Here on click is master. Toggle LED on. This call to this on function. When you turn on the LED. And here I write the script function toggle LED state. Here this function provides the request to the server. Flask is used as a server here. So this project is done.